Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to build live professional alarm display using graphic edit in AVEVA InTouch 2023. Look like this. If you want to use modern InTouch application, this is where you do. Let's start. Okay, first we delete old one. Okay, we first create new graphic. Is graphic 4. Okay, we double click. Then we go here. This is a graphic edit. Okay, we double click here. Alarm client. Here. Okay, we don't use this. We change the name current. Current alarm. Okay, we double click here. We can see here is the animation. We choose alarm model. We choose current alarm. Here have a lot of. We just use current alarm. Okay, history alarm, everything. Then we use this one variable. Okay, we copy this one. Right. Then we go to column detail. We just choose all the stuff. First one we unmark. Okay. Then we go to runtime behavior. We just choose acknowledge set. Otherwise, don't need. This one a lot of display. Okay. And just reset. This means select. This means the other. Okay. That's it. Now we create a button. Put here. One button. Here is all alarm. Okay, here's button 1. That's better. We choose style. We use intention 1. It look like nice. Okay, we double click alarm in here. We go to animation. We click here. We go to animation element style. Here is element style. We choose boolean. Here we should write down. No, is current. Is here. We create the current is this the display. Okay, we choose current. Current is the alarm. Alarm quizzer. Okay, we should use double equation. We use the variable in here. System variable is just point here. Okay, now element style we use 4. Okay, doesn't matter. Here we don't use. Okay. Oh, still we have other one. we use push button. We choose string here. We still this variable, string variable. Current alarm is alarm crazy. So we should set this value, just this variable. Okay, value is InTouch exclamation $system. Yeah, InTouch slash InTouch exclamation $system. Okay, that's it. Then we create other one. Yeah, this one is acknowledge. Okay. We use similar. Double click. We create animation. We choose use input. We use the boolean here. Same thing. We use current alarm is acknowledge alarm. Okay. Right. ACK. Okay. Oh, sorry. Dot ACK. Oh, is a message, yeah? Oh, this boolean acknowledge. Do you want? Do you want to acknowledge the alarm? Okay. Yes. No. Okay, we choose name policy. That's it. Dollar system.ack. Okay, yes. InTouch colon dollar system.ack. Okay, that's it. Yeah, it's okay. So okay, we can try. Save. Look, here is working. So here is 245. Oh, it's 150. Okay. Yeah, it's alarm, no alarm. Here, it's level. It's the 140. It's no alarm. So we shall want alarm 160 is alarm. Here 160 is alarm. So this one two alarm. We can unlock, acknowledge here. Yes. Okay. It's all alarm. Okay. That's it. Here. In this one, we create already in my previous video. If you want to know how to create this one, temperature column and level, you can see my previous video. Okay. Thank you very much.